Boiling and Drying Granulator. Series Boiling Drying Granulator is a new type of drying and granulating process equipment that combines fluidized bed technology and spray granulation technology. It is mainly suitable for drying and granulating equipment in the Chinese and Western medicine, food, chemical industry, and other industries. The machine consists of host, inlet air handling system, exhaust dust removal system, secondary dust removal system, spray system, CIP online cleaning system, explosion-proof system, and control system. The main features of this machine are as follows. 1. It integrates mixing, drying, spraying granulation and coating functions, and can directly make liquid materials into granules in one step. It has many functions such as rapid drying of granules, powdery materials, and granules preparation. This machine is the latest model of our company's extensive absorption and digestion of advanced foreign technology, combined with the successful development of the national conditions. 2. The equipment works under a closed negative pressure with reasonable structure, stable performance, convenient operation, and the entire equipment surface is smooth, no dead ends, easy to clean. The machine optimizes the technological process, reduces labor intensity, and effectively controls dust cross-contamination. Full compliance with the GMP requirements for drug production. 3. The use of liquid materials as a granulation wetting binder can save a lot of alcohol, reduce production costs, and can produce small doses of sugar-free or low-sugar Chinese medicine granules. 4. Using PLC automatic control system, all operations are automatically completed according to user requirements. All process parameters can be printed, and the original records are true and reliable. The repeatable process parameters control ensures the stability and repeatability of the dry granulation process, enabling multi-formulation batch production. When working, push the silo with material into the main machine, or push the silo directly into the host. The device uses the exhaust air fan to generate the negative pressure airflow through the automatically controlled feed valve, and the feed pipe sucks the material into the raw material. In the container, automatic feeding is realized. The control system is started. The bottom cylinder rises. The chamber is sealed. The machine starts to work according to the set program, and the equipment passes the initial pressure on the negative pressure section of the variable frequency speed control, induced draft fan. Filters, surface coat exchangers, moisture separator dehumidifiers, medium efficiency filters, heat exchangers, high efficiency filters, and air supply thus flow in from the base and enter the fluidized bed granulation chamber via the air distribution plate. The raw material containers the material inside is agitated and boiled into a fluidized state while mixing and drying. In the fluidization process, the heat carried by the airflow is replaced by heat. By controlling the heater, the inlet air temperature can be automatically adjusted. Air-cooled air grid with cylinder linkage control, precise adjustment of the ratio of hot and cold air, control of the airflow temperature within the set process range, and an adjustable opening automatic valve installed in the air intake pipe, which can arbitrarily control the amount of air intake size. The inlet of the air inlet pipe can be equipped with air inlet meter and temperature and humidity meter to check the parameters such as air volume and humidity. During the granulation, the liquid material is sent into the spray gun through the peristaltic pump, atomized by the compressed air, and it enters the sprayer through the pipe. Is sprayed into a granulation cavity, atomized into small droplets, sprayed in a fluidized bed granulation chamber, and the mother powder is sprayed mixing, bounding into particles, while the particles are dried by hot air. Fine material powder rises under the action of strong airflow, A part of fine powder rises to the filter bag and is trapped. And at a certain time, the left exhaust valve closes. Left chamber, the filter bag shakes up and down under the action of the cylinder. And the shaken powder does not fall back into the fluidized bed and is again granulated. After shaking the bag, the left exhaust valve opens again. After a certain period of time, the right exhaust valve closes and the right chamber filter bag of the filter chamber shakes. The left and right rooms oscillate alternately in this cycle, working continuously, clearing the collected powder, keeping the filter bags open, and efficiently completing the mixing, drying, and granulating operations. The air discharged from the dust removal chamber enters the secondary dust remover through the exhaust duct, and is filtered again by the fan after the fine powder is filtered. Discharged into the atmosphere through the muffler treatment, and after the drying granulation process is completed, the equipment is stopped and the cavity is sealed. The raw material container is pulled out, and the JTZ series fixed lifting and refilling machine is engaged to lift the whole grain or to use the vacuum feeder to pump the whole grain of the whole grain machine, effectively controlling the on-site dust and product cross-contamination.